Hi, my dear students. This is Suresh Kumar, your chemistry teacher. This is our channel, SURESH cheminar. Okay. In the previous class, I just explained the mind map of the entire lesson, acids, bases, and salts. Okay. In this video, I would like to explain the general properties of acids, bases, and salts. Right. First, acids. So, acid. Okay. The word is derived from Latin language acidus. Okay, derived from Latin word. Okay, acidus. Acidus means sour taste. Means acids in sour taste. Okay, sour to taste and blue litmus turns to red. Right. So, my dear students, this point you can easily remember in your mind. Why? Because acid it's end with D, and red it is end with D. So, and another one, acids are very dangerous, we know very well. So, dangerous symbol is nothing but red. So, that's why blue litmus turns to red. Okay, next. Acids are good conductors of electricity in its aqueous state. Good conductors of electricity in its aqueous state. Right. The acids are gives H plus or H3O plus ions in its aqueous state. Okay, gives H plus or H3O plus. H3O plus means hydronium. Okay, ions in its aqueous state. Right. Okay. Now I would like to explain the classification of acids. Okay. So the acids are classified into several types. Okay, under the different categories. So first one is the acids are classified into two types based upon that source. Okay, or origin. So that is the two types. One is the organic acids and second one is the mineral acids. Mineral acids are inorganic acids. Inorganic acids. And acids can be classified into two types based upon the strength. Okay. First one is the strong acid and also weak acid. Means acids are classified into two types based upon the concentration. Based upon the concentration. Okay. So concentrated acids and diluted acids. And acids are classified into two types based upon that molecular composition. Molecular composition. Right. So based upon the molecular composition, first one is the high, hydro acids and oxy acids, and based upon that basicity, acids are classified into three types. So mono, basic, and dibasic, and also tribasic. Okay, this is the classification. And now I would like to explain the classifications individually. Okay, right. Now we discuss about the first classifications. Okay, acids are classified into two types based upon the source. One is the organic acid and second one is the mineral acids. So which are also called as a inorganic acids. Right. So organic acids means the acids which are obtained from naturally, means from animals and also plants. Sustainable acids are called organic acids. Okay. So which are obtained, naturally. That means from plants and animals. So these acids are very weak acids, mild acids, very weak acids. Okay, some of the examples here. Okay, lemon contains citric acid, and curd contains lactic acid. Okay, tamarind contains, and tamarind and also grapes contains, tartaric acid, and tomato and banana and spinach, these all contains oxalic acid, and fats contains stearic acid, tea contains tannic acid, and red ants means contains formic acid. Okay, red ants which are called in the Greek language as a formicus. Okay, that's why the acid which is present in the red ants, that is nothing but formic acid. And apples, which are called as malus fruits in the Greek language. So the acid which is present in that apples, that is nothing but malic acid. Okay, and palm oil contains palmitic acid, and ascorbic acid is present in amla. Okay, right, and also butyric acid which is present in rancid milk. Okay, these are the examples of organic acids. And then mineral acids or inorganic acids. Okay, means the acids which are obtained from minerals, from the earth crust, which are obtained from minerals, under the earth crust. earth crust. Okay, then these acids are very strong acids, very strong acids. Okay, and some examples: HCl, hydrochloric acid, and H2SO4, sulfuric acid. It is also called as a king of the chemicals, and also oil of vitriol. Okay, and also HNO3, nitric acid, and also H2CO3. H2CO3 is the weak acid, but it is a mineral acid. Carbonic acid. Okay, it is an exception case. It is a weak acid, but it is a inorganic acid, which is present in a aerated cold drinks, right? Now let us discuss about that second classification. Acids are classified into two types based upon the strength. One is the strong acid, second one is the weak acid. What is meant by strong acid? Okay, strong acid means the acid which gives more number of H3O plus ions in its aqueous state. Okay, means for example, this is the one beaker. You have to take in that H2SO4 in it. Okay, this is the first case. Okay, in the second case, we take the another beaker which contains acetic acid. Okay, CH3COOH, acetic acid, which is present in a vinegar. Right. In both cases, which one is the strong acid and which one is the weak acid? Means which acid is completely ionized. Such type acid is called strong acid. Means here 100 molecules completely ionized into, means completely converted into 100 ions, splits into 100%. So this is the strong acid. But here 100 molecules, but it partially ionized, means only 7 or 8 ions can be dissociates. Okay, that means it is a weak acid. So that is the difference between the strong acid and also weak acid. Okay, now my dear students, let us discuss about the third classification. Acids are classified into two types based upon the concentration: concentrated acids and also dilute acids. Okay, so means based upon that amount of the water present in the given acid. Okay, the amount of water present in given acid. Based upon this only, we can explain that which one is the concentrated acid, which one is the dilute acid. Okay, for example, here amount of water is less. Okay, amount of water is less. That means, for example, this is the beaker. Beaker contains 60 ml of H2SO4, and 20 ml of water. Okay, right. This is the first case. Here, diluted means amount of water is more. Amount of water is more, large. Okay, means in the second case we have to take in the another beaker, okay, which contains 60 ml of H2SO4 and 120 ml of water. Okay, when you compare these two cases, which one is the concentrated acid, which one is the diluted acid, means this is the relative property. Here amount of water is less, that means it is a concentrated acid. Here amount of water is more, that means it is a diluted acid. Okay, right.